Hi there, I'm Jose with Coldwell Banker Seacoast Advantage, and today I'm flying over neighborhoods in Jacksonville, North Carolina. Today we're going to check out the Commons. Let's see what they have to offer.
Welcome to the Commons, one of Jacksonville's most established and centrally located neighborhoods. This community offers a great mix of charm, space, and convenience. Homes in the Commons typically average between $275,000 and $380,000, with sizes ranging from about 1,500 to over 2,500 heated square feet. Most homes were built between the late 1980s and early 2000s, giving you mature landscaping and well-designed layouts you don't always find in newer construction homes. But what really makes the Commons stand out is the lifestyle. Right here in the neighborhood, you'll find multiple baseball fields, tennis courts, and open green spaces. Also just minutes from Richard Ray Park and Jacksonville Recreation Center, offering even more opportunities for fitness, sports, and community events. If you're looking for a neighborhood that blends comfort, community, and convenience, the Commons might just be the perfect place to call home.
What do you think of the Commons? Leave a comment down below and follow our page. That way you can get more bird's eye views of neighborhoods around Onslow County.